Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on do not disturb mode on your Samsung device. First, go to the settings, after that to notifications, and scroll down to the do not disturb option, and it's an explanation for that. Do not disturb mutes calls and alerts except for your selected exceptions. So you have to turn that on, and it says do not disturb is on until you turn it off, which is obvious. Here you can see the schedule, the sleeping mode. Here you can add other schedule as well, and here you can add the exceptions like calls, messages and conversations, the alarms and sounds, the apps. You can add the apps here there, and the hide notification option, like hide all. Here it says that critical notifications about phone activity and status will never be hidden. And when it's turned off, when notification arrive, your phone won't make a sound or vibrate. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.